I used to feel so devastated.
Alright, what is going on, dude? It's your boy Dude76 here, and welcome to a video on the easiest way to buy Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. These are just a bunch of cryptocurrencies that you guys obviously want to invest in and get invested into the cryptocurrency market and trend and everything. Just get invested, you know? And I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest, fastest, and the most secure way to do it. In addition to that, if you guys want a free $10, that's right, free $10, you know, who doesn't like free money, I'm going to be showing you how to get that also. So the first thing you guys will want to have to do is open up your browser and then head to this link. It will be the first link in the description. So just click that link and it'll be a Coinbase sign up link. So Coinbase, if you guys don't already know, is the most popular cryptocurrency exchange in terms of buying and selling Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. It's been used by thousands of people, you know, even millions of people in terms of buying cryptocurrencies, right? So it's really secure. I put a lot of my money into it, and obviously you guys want to also if you want to buy cryptocurrencies. It's the easiest way to do it. And this, the link, if you click the description, if you sign up with this link, you'll get a free $10. That's right, free $10 if you spend at least $100 more of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, or Bitcoin Cash. This can be accumulated over time. You don't just have to buy the $100 right away with their cryptocurrency. It can be accumulated over time. But once you spend at least $100, you get a free $10 right there. And if you do the math real quick, 10 divided by 100, that's simple math. That's 10% right there, right? So who doesn't want instant 10% profit literally just by using this link, signing up with this link? You'll get a free $10. So $10 right there. So yeah, just enter your information right here, first name, last name, email, password, really simple stuff. And make sure it's all valid and legal, because in order to buy cryptocurrency, you have to be 18 and you have to be an actual person. You know, you can't just like fake your name and everything, because they're going to have to verify your account, you know, for legal reasons. You know, they don't want any fraud or anything or criminal activity in terms of their website. And so just enter your name and email and everything, all valid. If you're not 18, because you have to be 18 to buy cryptocurrency through Coinbase, just ask your parent or guardian to make an account for you and then use their information to purchase it that way. So yeah, click this link. It's just, you know, simple sign up link, and you'll get a free $10 if you use this link right here. So after that, just go ahead and sign into your account, and I'm going to do that right now. So just give me a second. Okay, so once you guys have signed into your Coinbase account, you're going to be presented with this page right here. So this is your Coinbase dashboard, you know, showing the price of Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin over different time intervals. Your portfolio, this shows how much money you have in each cryptocurrency, and your recent activity tab. This will probably be blank because you guys haven't done any activity yet. So you're going to want to head to the buy/sell tab right up here, buy/sell. Go ahead and click that. And at the time of making this video, there are 4 options in terms of buying cryptocurrency from Coinbase. They may add more later down the road, but at the time of making this video, there are 4 options: Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. You guys can purchase whatever you want or whatever combination you guys want. For the sake of this video, we're going to be purchasing Bitcoin. So just go ahead and select Bitcoin right there. And in terms of payment method, you guys probably won't have anything here also because you haven't added any payment method yet. So just go ahead and add a new account, add a new payment method. And there'll be 3 options right here: bank account, credit/debit card, and wire transfer. I recommend either using the bank account or credit/debit card. The difference between the two is that the bank account transfer takes 4 to 5 days to process, so you won't get it instantly, but the fees are lower at 1.5%. In terms of credit/debit card, the fees are higher at 4%, but it gets purchased instantly as soon as you click the button. So it's up to you guys if you want to purchase with the credit or debit card or bank account. If you think the market will fluctuate between those 4 to 5 days, it's really up to you. So just, you know, enter information and everything. You know, you can add a debit card/credit card right there, or bank account. Just sign in with your bank. They have all these different banks here. You can search it up also. Really easy stuff, just like purchasing anything on like Amazon or whatever. So just really easy stuff right there. Just link your payment method. And then after that, in the amount tab, I recommend, if you guys want the free $10, right, you have to spend at least $100 or buy at least $100 worth of cryptocurrencies, putting in $105. Why the $105? Because if you look at the fees, right, say we're doing a credit/debit card, the fees are $4 right there, so you're only getting about $100 worth of cryptocurrencies, and you have to buy at least $100 worth of cryptocurrencies in order to get that $10, right? But the $4 fees, why would I want to pay the $4 fees, right? If you think about it, $10, right, that's instant 10% profit right there. That essentially neglects that fee right there, and you get an extra $6 right there. So you're just getting free money, you know, if you use that the link I told you guys to do. So just put in $105 right there, right? and then just click buy Bitcoin instantly, right? Just gonna confirm everything and just click confirm buy. I'm not gonna buy because I'll invest later, just I don't have the money right now, but once I do, I'll put some more money into cryptocurrencies. And yeah, just click confirm buy, and then once you confirm that buy, depending on what payment method you did, if you did a credit/debit card, it'll be purchased instantly. If you did a bank account transfer, it'll again probably take 4 to 5 days to transfer. It may take up to a week. So yeah, once you've confirmed that transaction, you're gonna want to head over to the accounts tab. Right, so this shows all your you know, account and everything in terms of how much money you guys have in Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. And I don't have any money right now, but once you guys have purchased it, you guys will see it right here, and then you can send the money to another exchange like Binance to buy other cryptocurrencies. You can receive money here. This is just essentially your wallet, right? This is wallet for different cryptocurrencies. And yeah, so once you purchase it, it'll appear right here, and then you just hold on and hodl, you know, hodl for life, boys. We're going, Bitcoin's hitting $1 million. That's what I'm selling mine. That's what I'm selling mine once it's at $1 million. So yeah, that's how you purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. The easiest way to do it, real simple, and make sure to use that link so you can get those free $10. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. All right.
La 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 la.